What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris from Bastien.Fitness, and today we're making a high protein shake smoothie. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Holla back at me. Alright, so first things first, we got some strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, which are all high in antioxidants, high in vitamin K, vitamin E, and all the good stuff. Make sure you're getting fruit at least 2 or 3 times a day. Now we got hemp seeds for omega-3s, peanut butter for omega-3s, bananas for potassium, chia seeds for omega-3s as well, creatine for getting more repetitions while working out, some protein powder for protein obviously, and then BCAAs and mangoes for folic acid and vitamin E. For any of these products, you do not have to use peanut butter is high in fat, chia seeds are high in fat, and hemp seeds are as high as fat, so pretty much substitute what you gotta substitute. So I like the peanut butter for the flavor, so I'm gonna use that. And the chia seeds, they're also high in calcium, but you can get calcium from almond milk, so you can substitute what you gotta substitute and do your research as well. But me, I just like all of this because it's good for me. This is the almond milk I'm using because I saw a YouTuber use this. The almond milk is high in calcium. Some almond milks actually have B12 in them. Alright, this is the finished product right here. It usually comes out like ice cream, so I just eat it with a spoon, you know. But look at that, that's beautiful right there. And don't be afraid about calories, man. If you know you're eating fruit and like good stuff, you don't need to worry about that. We need to be consuming fruit and healthy stuff. This is stuff that's good for you, man. Oh, I didn't taste it yet. Yo.